What's up, guys? It's Meaty Mike. My name is Mike and I love meat. Fire up your smokers because today we are cooking a beef heart. Let's do it. All right, everybody, come on in, come on in. I welcome you all with an open heart. I heart you. I heart you. Today, we are putting in our smokers a beef heart. I love organ meat. Liver's my favorite, but heart is a close second. You can see on the heart, you have a lot of fatty tissue on the outside, and that's okay, but on the inside, it's already cut open a bit. This is where all the good meat on a heart is. You see a lot of webbing on the inside, so we're just gonna start right away and cut some of that webbing out. Just these little guys. It's not really fun to chew on when you get the meat off of your heart. You don't have to get every little one, but if you can see them, cut them on out. And that's pretty good. You're not gonna get every piece of webbing. You could cut out parts of this heart and just cut it out into steaks, but if you know me, I like to cook things whole, so I'm keeping it whole. If you wanted to take the time also, you can get a majority of the fat on the outside off if you wanted, but again, keep it whole, baby. That's what I'm all about. This heart is about 2 pounds, and you're still gonna get a lot of good meat on the inside, even when you leave it whole like this. So that's all we're doing from here as far as cutting or dressing the heart goes. We got some other spices here. We're gonna let it marinate. So we're gonna start with a little bit of olive oil. And we're just gonna rub it in to the heart. A couple tablespoons, nothing crazy. Just get a good coat on the outside. Very nice. Then I got some Meat So Horny, Rub Your Chub, beef rub. This is gonna go great, of course, with our heart. Pile it on. Get a good coat on the inside. Get a good coat on the outside too. Shoot. Beautiful. Now you need to get a plastic bag. Put your heart in. To this bag, we're going to add 1/4 cup of soy sauce. 1/3 cup of Worcestershire sauce. About 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Get it on in there. And get yourself some fresh rosemary and some fresh thyme. Yeah, put it all in there, why not? Take off my gloves so we can close this up. Mix it up. Get together that Worcestershire sauce, that soy sauce, that garlic, that Meat So Horny rub. All right, looking good, perfect. From here, we're just gonna go put our heart in the fridge for 2 or 4 hours, let it marinate. You can go overnight if you want, that's not gonna hurt, but I'm gonna go closer to 4 hours. After that, we'll pull it out of the fridge, and we'll go pop it in the smoker. All right, so our beef heart has been marinating in the fridge for about 4 hours. I took the fresh thyme and the rosemary that was marinating with the heart and just put it right in the little crevices right there. I'm leaving it meat side up and leaving it open. You can twine it if you need to, but shoot, I'm keeping it as is. Let's go pop it on the Masterbuilt. All right, y'all, we got our smoker rolling at 180 degrees, a nice low temperature. I'm rolling with some post oak wood chips for this heart. The weather today sucks. It's windy, it's raining, but I'm smoking this beef heart come hell or high water. I don't give a gosh darn. I got the Inkbird monitoring our internal temps. We're looking to take our heart to 120 internal temp. When it hits that 120 internal temp, we're gonna take it off the smoker, pop it on the grill, get a little sear on it, so we'll see you soon. All right, y'all, the Inkbird's going off at about 120. I got my Inkbird instant read. We're gonna double check the temp of our heart. Let's take a look. Boom, right about 120 there. Check another part. Awesome, right in between 120 and 124. There, now that's checked. Take our temp probes out. Before we put it on the grill, spray our heart with some duck fat spray.
Ooh, nice and juicy.
All right, we got our grill nice and hot. Let's pop it right on the grill.
Ooh, daddy.
All right, so we're just gonna let our heart go on the grill for a few minutes on each side, get a good sear, then we'll pull it and eat. And with that, our smoked beef heart is complete. We smoked it to an internal temp, different parts of the heart between 120 and 124, covered it in duck fat spray, threw it hot on the grill, got some good char on this heart. See, that's why you keep that fat on. And if you're like me, I like to chew on fat, and I'm going to chew on this fat. And you flip it over, of course you got the rosemary for a nice garnish. Flip it over, we have some good color on our heart. We're cutting right in. I'm just slicing pieces off. Oh, come on. Look at that. That is gorgeous. When we pulled it off of the grill, it was right at about 135, and we tented it for about 10 minutes to get some good color, good smoke, good flavor in this heart. Man, I am just cutting off this piece right here. I'm just cutting this into little slices. Oh, yes. Let's try some of our beef heart. My heart goes out to those who have never tried a heart before, because it is delicious. Beef heart is very beefy. It tastes like beef. It smells like beef. It's beef. Man, good smoke flavor, good tenderness to some of these pieces that still have a good medium rare to it. Man, I mean, it's good, man. Man, you can slice this heart into little chunks and just eat it like I'm eating it. Cut it into steaks. Get some nice thick slabs. Put it on a sandwich. I mean, it's just perfect. I mean, we have that great pink center. And like I said before, this fat that's on here, it's not that hard to look. Nice, good fat. Oh, man. It's just like a good fat on a steak. I don't know how people cut off fat and just toss it out. That's even better than fat on a steak. Fat on a heart. These organs, very underrated. So much rich flavor, bold flavor. Get a good smoke on this heart. Finish it on the grill. You're gonna love it. You are. Or if you don't, you should. Because you need love in your heart to love a good smoked heart. That's my message for today. Throw a heart in your smoker. You're going to love it. Stay tuned for the next video.